Hello, good morning. Welcome back my Randy Vlog. Tayo ay magluluto ng ampalaya dito sa ating space at dito rin tinanim. Ayan po. Ampalaya or little pork and chicken and garlic, onion and tomato. Yan po ang mga panghalo. Saka black pepper and dati puti tuyo. Wala tayong sauce na isa na masarap, kaya black sauce na lang nilagyan natin, at saka salt and small part of cubes, nor cubes. Okay. So we start to cook now. So first, oil. Then garlic. After onion. Until brown. Okay. So chicken meat. Mix, halo-halo, mix. Haluin natin para maluto hanggang mag-brown bago ilagay ang kamatis. After brown, put the tomato. So, pwede na ilagay ang tomato. So, cook for 3 minutes. Now, we put apply now. So, mix. Okay, so, leave it 3 minutes. So we put the half nor and black pepper and sausage. Okay. And mix. Then after that, so nice color tomato and ampalaya. So close to cook in 5 minutes. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back my Randy Vlog. Good morning. So guys, tayo ay magluluto ng tuna. Fresh tuna sa gata. So, meron tayong chili, small and big, ginger and onion. So, and milk. Okay, that's the gata. Coconut milk. So, luluto tayo ngayon ng masarap na tuna na galing sa dagat ng Greece. Yan po. Napakalaking tuna fresh. Pwede kainin, pwede gawing sushi. Yan po. Sushi. Yan. Yan po. Wow. Napakasarap nito. Like Bicol Express. Cook tuna Bicol Express. Okay. Okay guys, we start to arrange my tuna fish in casserole. Right. Wow, very big. It's very big. It's nice and fresh. Fresh. I love it this. My wife is very happy. It's a favorite. So second, ginger. Then green chili. Onion. So first we need to cook by what is this? Vinegar. After gata. Alright. So slowly and put pepper seed and also half coconut milk. And then one teaspoon curry and half cubes of nor. Okay, and cover. Okay, I think it's ready now to put another last coconut milk. Yan. Okay. And chili. Big chili and small chili. Wow. Nice. Hello. Ito na po yung tuna natin yung may gata. Yes. Yummy.